All right, there's new hope this morning for those suffering from some of the most devastating brain diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. As Mindy Basara reports, a Baltimore company has come up with a new device it hopes will improve the lives of millions of people.
So this is the NeuroPass. This is the future of brain medicine delivery.
This groundbreaking medical device is 15 years in the making. Back in 2010, Dr. Chad Gordon was doing skull reconstructions in Boston. He noticed after brain surgery, many patients end up with missing fat and muscle in their skull. So he decided to design an implant that doesn't just fix the skull, but fills out the empty space.
I realized that the skull implants needed to be much thicker. That's when the second light bulb went off that said, someday we can use that space inside the thicker implant to deliver medicine down a short catheter right into the brain.
Here's why that is significant. Dr. Gordon says 95 to 98% of oral medication never reaches the brain because of what's called the blood-brain barrier.
The brain as an organ is the only one whose blood vessels are wrapped with extra cells, which is the barrier. So basically, normal chemicals or nutrients that come out into all your other organs from the bloodstream don't come out into the brain because they're trapped by the blood-brain barrier.
Consequently, drug makers have to raise the amount of active ingredients in the oral medication because most of it won't get to the brain. That causes side effects and damages other organs. NeuroPass, though, delivers the medication only to the brain.
And it will sit on the side of your head like this. At the same time, give you a bump that you could feel and know where to put the needle in. And then the medicine goes right down these little catheters.
This is the ultimate wearable technology. We're talking about impacting millions of patients and a totally new approach to treating brain disease.
Michael Maglin headed up the wearable technology team at Under Armour before coming over to Cranius. Maglin says future versions of NeuroPass will have remarkable advances.
That we can incorporate sensors and Bluetooth in communication and wireless charging. And we have all of that technology in our IP portfolio. But for us, it's important to focus on what does the patient need now and how do we get this to patients as quickly as possible.
The hope is NeuroPass could help treat numerous devastating brain diseases, cancer, Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, seizures, even schizophrenia, saving lives by delivering medicine exactly where it needs to go.
Mindy Barasa with that report. The NeuroPass is not yet FDA approved and is currently in phase 1 of trials.